how to make money from home right now. Now and then, we're all expected to pull out an important tool in our survival kit: how to make money. Living in a material world conditioned us to work for money since birth, whether we like it or not. The role of money, with or without a crisis, seems to be overvalued. It is an essential part of economic and social infrastructure, and obviously, it is money that makes the world go round, from politics, economy, education, taxation, medicine, media to banking. It is money that connects these industrial elements that, unfortunately, we all live in. We understand where the ABBA is coming from, though it looks like nothing has changed since then. Since the rich seem to know the rules of wealth, that money begets money, so the rich becomes richer. And if you happen to just learn that today, well then, you are lucky, because now that you know their secret, there's a possibility that you can also be rich someday. Now that you know the what, it's time you should also know the how. So stay tuned in this video as we reveal to you how to make money right at your home right now. But first, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fabulous videos. Managing your cash flow well can save you from worrying about your bills. Starting your business at home might just be the answer. By using your talent and expertise, you can have a side hustle that can make you earn money. Open a bed and breakfast. Have you considered opening a little bed and breakfast? This side hustle still has demand despite the slowdown in tourism and travel due to pandemic. You can collaborate with your local council if you consider making this business a unique service for medical frontliners and volunteers by providing safe and convenient accommodation. Just make sure to keep the facilities super clean and always sanitized. Stay-at-home daycare. If you are a stay-at-home mom and someone who enjoys children, you could start a home daycare to take care of infants and toddlers at your home. This can be a lot of work, but if you have the right setup, are familiar with what it takes, and aren't afraid to get some licensing, this can be a fantastic way to earn money at home. This really does become a full-time job. You just need to get a certification from your state. But in terms of earning, you can make big bucks, caring for children while getting to spend the day with your children as well. Sell photos. Are you into photography? Because even at home, your photos may be a way for you to earn money. All you have to do is upload the images to any of the available stock photography website, a repository of photographs covering almost every possible subject. Magazine editors, designers, or any organizations with a website can choose from any of the stock photos and buy them. Sell calligraphy art. If you are creative and can make nice calligraphy artwork, you can offer your services to make an event or wedding invitations and other events. You can also sell your artwork to online shops like Etsy. You can also do a tutorial or offer a course online. You can reach a lot if you can make great portfolio or collection of your work and publish them on social media like Facebook or Instagram. Write content. Content writing could be an ideal money-making opportunity for you. No matter where you live, you can always earn a great income through your writing skills. Being able to do what you like and earn money online are usually rewarding. It allows you to work with clients or websites that interest you most. You also get to enjoy writing at your own sweet pace, setting your own price as demand for your writing grows, and you get to enjoy a regular income. By now, you should realize that opportunity to earn is everywhere. All you need is a computer, a good internet connection, and your skill. Any skill that can be put to good use is valuable. It can change the course of your life from being broke to $1 richer. Baking, for example, can be another source of income. Bake and sell cookies, muffins, and cupcakes. Many entrepreneurs started their business from home and with very little capital. You can have the freedom to express your creativity onto your baked products. You can sell locally or online. There's always a market for delicious baked goods. Offer salon service. You can now use your passion for beauty to make a living. All you need is a hair clipper and scissors. Maybe you can also do makeup, hair dye, manicure or pedicure. So why not open an all-stop shop salon service? You can start at home and slowly build your clients around your local neighbor. You can offer promotions and special rates for special customers and for loyal friends who help you bring in more customers. Print t-shirt and sell online. Starting your own t-shirt printing business can be profitable. And yes, you can definitely do this at home. You have the freedom to create your own designs. Nowadays, designing a shirt can be easy using a lot of available graphic design software like Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, GIMP, and others. You can set your own price based on your material costs. And you can also create your own unique brand and market them online or through consignments. Ideas to earn money while at home can be limitless because you are limitless. You need to believe in yourself and start doing some action. We have plenty of time at our disposal, so let us not waste it. Use it to be productive, to earn, and to have more freedom. Whether you want to get away from an 8-to-5 job or just want to have a freer lifestyle, it's all up to you. Please let us know what other things you are doing at home to earn money. You can write it at the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos. Are you ready?